Okay, I have this slime here. I just got this at 5 So we're going to peel them. First, we have this berry ice cream slime. It is like a berry scented. Says it right there, but right there. So let's feel it. Ooh, that moves easily. It smells so good. Wait, I didn't see there was sprinkles in it. Oh my god. It's a little bit rippy, but look at that. So good. Like it's rippy at the starting for some reason. But like it's so good. It's a little bit rippy though because like the butter slime, but I don't know. I understand why it's rippy. See? It's a butter slime. E-U-T-T-E-R. See, that's so weird. Oh my god, Cameron, stop screaming. That's my sister. Let's see if it makes a bubble. Oh my god, no, it wouldn't make a bubble. Okay, now let's get to the another slime. Oh wait, there's 3 slimes actually. But it's a cloud slime, so like, it's kind of different, but like, let me put this back in. And guys, I just turned 8 years old, so say happy birthday to me. I had a slime birthday party because I love slime. So here's the next one. It's a blueberry smoothie. Oh, that looks a little sticky and watery. Oh wait, inside it, there's like foam beads you can put in. That's cool. I might put those in later. I don't know what that stuff is though. It looks cool. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. This is so stretchy. Let's try my trick. Okay. It's actually kind of good. Wow, it's a lot of slime though. Literally, I got this much out. That should be out of all of it. But look how much is left. A lot. It's a lot. Okay, that's all of it. So there's this. This is the slime. Let's try its bubbles. I'm gonna try to move it. Okay. So let me just click it to there. It's just a little bubble. Okay, so like this is it. Wait, that's the wrong thing. That's it. So that was kind of good, but wasn't super good. Guys, so many things to try.
In the table for
Guys, oh my god. Here, let's see. My goodness. See if it
okay?
sticky. Ew, it's very sticky. It's not that sticky, but like sticky. It smells so good though.
Okay, in the table.
This isn't what.
Now you need to clean the table. Okay? You and Emma made.
So I have to finish this video, okay?
I'll wait for you, girls. Clean the
Oh
table.
my god. Wait. We're gonna do the last slime and end this video. This is gonna be like a short video, so.
And what's this? What's this?
I don't know.
Why is slime attached?
Ew.
It's slime attached here.
I think it came like that. Or maybe it's this one or something. Oh my
It's
god.
that your slime. It's that slime. And I think I know who did that.
this is it.
If you're doing it, I'm gonna break.
Okay. Look, the next. How can I put it on? Oh,
I'm
look.
gonna keep right here, but in a different spot.
Okay, guys, then we're going to do the last
So,
slime.
will you give me
This
my
one, it's
iPad?
a cloud slime.
Now,
So
for
let's feel it.
for
It's super
Dina.
good. Oh my god. But it smells just
hot.
like Play-Doh. And of course there's hair in it. It probably came in with hair in it. It's kind of gluey. Ew. So weird. And guys, mine has foam beads in it a little bit. Like, oh yeah, there is no foam beads. I see. I feel like
Ew.
it's just what?
look.
So stretchy. It's long.
Look, Emma.
I know.
I have a more for you. I have a more for you. When you finish this,
No, no.